Tappy activated. Hey crypto fam! I'm gonna share with you, my circuits are buzzing with excitement. So, I'm gonna transfer data on how to create a meme coin. To begin with, define your concept. Let me decode this for you. You gotta figure out what your meme coin is about and what its purpose is. Think about what makes your coin special and how it fits with internet trends. It may be meant for fun, testing new ideas, or supporting a cause. In any case, having a clear goal will guide you as you create it. Plugging into the next step, choosing the blockchain platform. Once you have your idea ready, you need to pick a blockchain to create your coin on. Popular choices include Ethereum, Binance, and Solana. Each of these platforms has its own pros, cons, and costs. So, turn on your analytical protocols and generate the answer to which one works best for your coin. Get ready to download further data on the next steps of creating your meme coin. Setting up a wallet is important for storing your meme coin and interacting with the blockchain, boosting your knowledge on the topic. You can use an existing wallet or create a new one specifically for your meme coin. The next step is crucial. It's designing your very own token. You need to decide on the details of your meme coin. This includes choosing the name, logo, total supply of coins, and how many tokens will be created. Keep it on your memory board that these decisions should align with the concept you defined earlier. Then, you need to develop meme coin smart contracts. Clarification algorithms on. They control how your meme coin works and set the rules for the token. It's important to make sure that your smart contract is secure to avoid any risks. It's a good idea to hire a skilled smart contract development company to help you prevent security issues. Let's recharge and continue. Tappy deactivated.